guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an iPhone 11 unboxing. I am seriously so excited because your girl has had that.
What is that?
iPhone 7 for way too long. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay. I'm literally so excited.
So excited!
Like, oh my gosh. Okay. Here she is. Oh.
I watched that.
Okay, so just gonna show y'all. By the way, this is my first YouTube video, but I am gonna be coming out with so much more content. I'm gonna be actually filming a Shein video soon, clothing hauls, I'm doing a room tour, workout videos, whatever y'all want, let me know in the description below. Make sure y'all subscribe because there's a whole bunch coming soon. But I cannot believe this is in front of my face. Like, oh my god, it's so pretty. It's okay. So this is the unboxing. So you know, it was in the box. Nobody cares about that part. We're gonna open her up. Okay, so as you can see, this has been my iPhone 7. This baby done been through it. Well, it's definitely time for me to say my goodbyes. I'm seriously at a loss for words right now. Wow. When you open it, it looks like this, and then, oh my god. So we're gonna put her down for a second, and so then it comes with this. It's the Designed by Apple thing. And then up under it is the earbuds, and then your nice charger. That's how it comes. Okay. Oh my. I'm so excited.
So excited!
I don't even want to take the plastic off. Like, it's so pretty. Let's turn her on. Gosh. Wow, this just suits me. Like, look at this. Hey, then compared to this. Oh, it popped up. Hola. Okay, so speak English. Then it asks for me to select my region. United States. Wow, that was so easy. All I had to do was like hold this up to this, and boom, baby girl is setting up. Okay, enter a password. This does not even feel real right now. Like, I feel like I'm in a trance or something. Like, this is crazy. I saved up for her with my own money, and I got it earlier today, but my family had to go somewhere, so I had to wait all day to open this. So it's like finally getting to open it. But enter my Face ID. That girl is fancy, girl. Oh, okay. Y'all, I am too excited right now. Like, I cannot even try to hide my excitement. But I need to make sure I look down here because I keep on looking up here. Because I just got a G7X, Canon G7X. So if y'all want me to do an unboxing on that, I will. Or like a review, whatever. Hey Siri, send a message. Welcome, it's saying welcome to iPhone. Just did some, like, I set it up some more, like get in my apps and stuff, because I didn't want to back it up like normal. I wanted it to just be like all fresh and new and just, you know. But yeah, I'm getting like everything on it. That's my lock screen for now. We're gonna figure it out, but I am ecstatic, and I'll be doing a what's on my iPhone video really soon. Okay, and before I go, I just want to say again, I'm gonna be coming out with clothing haul, Shein video coming real soon, honey. Bougie on a budget, fashionable on a budget. So many more clothing videos. I'm also coming out with a room tour really soon. If you guys want to see a makeup tutorial, just let me know by liking this video and commenting down below. I love you guys so much already. Make sure you guys subscribe, please. It makes me really happy. I'm super geek and excited. iPhone 11, what's on my iPhone video coming soon too. I love you guys. Bye.